purpose of this video is to discuss the undo and redo commands and a couple things to look out for. First of all, I want to show you that there might be a couple of different undos depending on what you're doing. If I start drawing the line command, and let's say I pick a few points on my screen, as I look at my command line, I have an undo option there. I can choose that undo option, or I can choose the undo option up on my quick access toolbar. So which is the correct one to choose? Well, the difference is the one in the command line deals with the last line segment that I created. So if I just want to delete the last line segment, I want to use the one at the command line. So I can just simply type U and enter, and it undoes the last segment. Or I can right-click my mouse and choose undo that way, and that works too. If you choose the one up on the quick access toolbar, that reads this whole series of lines as one command, because I started the line command, I created all these segments, and then I went to undo to get rid of all of them. So when I hit undo, as you can see, they all go away. So if you want to just undo one segment at a time, you want to use the one in the command line. If you want to undo all of the segments since you started the command, you'll use the one up in the quick access toolbar. Now another issue to look out for is kind of a trick with the redo. As you can see, the redo is open for me to use right now. Typically, if I want to undo something, I can redo it to get it back. So if I hit undo, it gets rid of all those lines. If I hit redo, it brings them back. And I can undo as far back as I want, and I can redo to get me back to where I was originally. Here's the trick though, if you undo and then you do anything, you lose the ability to redo. So watch now as I just simply roll my wheel to zoom a little bit, the redo disappears. So I've lost my ability to get me back to where I was. So be very careful with that when you're undoing. If you do anything, you will not be allowed to redo again.